Now, Fox 54 Legal Connect with attorney Katanga Wright.
Hi, welcome. I'm Jackie Lynch. I'm here with Katanga Wright, our legal expert. How are you, Katanga?
I'm good, Jackie. How are you?
I'm so good and so happy to talk to you. We have a question that was posed to us on Facebook. Someone DM'd us about it.
Okay.
And they want to know, if you get a DUI, does that mean you automatically lose your job?
Well, definitely not automatically lose your job. Now, there are some employers, if you have to drive for a living, it can definitely be grounds for termination because it may affect their insurance ultimately.
Okay.
But typically, it only affects your insurance if you actually get convicted or plead guilty of a DUI.
Okay.
So just because you're charged doesn't mean it's over, because remember, we're innocent until proven guilty.
Right.
So there's a legal process that needs to happen in order for the prosecutor, the state, to actually prove that you're guilty of those charges.
Okay. So then if I get pulled over for a DUI, I'm sorry, if I get pulled over, what do I do?
Well, number one, you want to stay calm. You definitely don't want to give any indication to the officer that you're nervous or you're worried about the fact that you're getting pulled over, even though it's never a pleasant experience.
Right.
Be cooperative, be nice and respectful, because it does make a difference later on should you actually get charged with a DUI.
Right. So if you do get charged with a DUI, if you get arrested, is there anything you can do about it? Is there anything that can be done about it? Does it stay on your permanent record?
Well, it definitely can stay on your permanent record, because in Georgia, we look back at how many DUIs you've had in your lifetime.
Wow.
While the penalties are particular statutorily, depending on whether it's your first and 5, second and 5, first and 10, second and 10, things like that, they do stay on your record, and people can see them, prosecutors can see them even 20 years later on subsequent DUIs. So you definitely want to try to avoid getting a DUI charge, number one, because we've got Uber and Lyft.
Be safe.
But if you should happen to get a charge, make sure you get a qualified DUI attorney to represent you. It is a legal proceeding, and you want to make sure that you've got somebody on your side protecting your rights, obtaining discovery, getting the information that it's going to take to actually have a successful trial. And if you are innocent, go through the process to prove that in court.
Wonderful. Well, if they want to find out more, they can certainly call your office, the Wright Legal Group, or they can send us a message, right?
Yes, the email address is legalconnect@wxtx.com. So send us your messages, your questions. We'd love to answer them right here on the show.
Thank you. We'll see you on the next Legal Connect.